Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve customer analytics with HubSpot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the reports section in the main dashboard. Select analytics tools from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see various options for analyzing customer interactions. Begin by clicking on Traffic Analytics. This will provide insights into your website visitors and their behavior. Next, access sources to understand where your traffic is coming from. This will help you identify the most effective marketing channels. After that, go to Contacts to analyze your customer data. Use the filters to segment your contacts based on specific criteria. This allows for a more targeted approach to customer engagement. Now, click on Customer Feedback. Collecting and analyzing feedback is essential for understanding customer satisfaction. This section reveals how your customer interactions translate into sales. Next, utilize reporting to create custom reports that fit your needs. Select key metrics that are relevant to your business goals. Once your reports are set up, regularly review them for actionable insights. Schedule automated reports to be sent to your team for continuous monitoring. Finally, use the insights gained to refine your marketing strategies. Adapt your approach based on real-time data to improve customer relationships. By following these steps, you will enhance your customer analytics with HubSpot effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.